It's 2025. If you are able to watch this video, then you're definitely using AI. We all use it. But almost nobody knows how it actually works. And I'm not talking about the actual science of it. No. I'm talking about the fact that even the people who build and maintain these models have no idea what's actually happening inside them.
But guess what? The AI that everybody's using now doesn't have this explainability.
And in the end, you have something which, even though you can look inside it, you have very little idea of how it works.
So you don't like the poetry of the mystery of neural networks as the source of its power?
I generally like poetry, but somehow we're never going to understand neural networks. And we're just going to have to learn to live with this. It's this very powerful black box.
We are at some level just going to have to trust the black box.
We will have to trust it for a little while, but there's progress being made. There's a lot of powerful people working to fix this. But before I tell you about that, you need to understand one thing. So AI is everywhere. It's deciding what shows you watch, how your package gets delivered, and even whether you qualify for a loan. But here's the kicker. Most of us have no idea how it makes these decisions. It's like this magic trick that works, but you don't get to see behind the curtain. This is what tech folks call the black box problem. Imagine this box is your AI system. You ask it a question, it spits out an answer, but it won't explain itself. Why did it approve this loan and not that one? Who knows? The box is locked, but what's inside? A web of super complicated calculations no one can untangle. Here's why this happens. AI, especially neural networks, is like a giant brain made of layers. These layers perform millions of calculations to make a decision. But the process is so complex, so detailed, it's almost impossible for us to trace back why it decided what it did. And that's a huge problem in areas like healthcare or finance, where a single bad decision can cost lives or ruin someone's future. So, how do we fix it? One way is to open up the black box and try to make AI more explainable. There are tools out there, like Explainable AI, designed to do just that. But here's the trade-off. The simpler you make an AI to explain it, the less accurate it tends to be. It's a balancing act between trust and performance. The other way, the better way, is by using blockchain. Yeah, the same tech behind Bitcoin. Think of blockchain as this magical notebook. Once you write something in it, it's there forever. Unchangeable, untouchable, and open for review. So, what if we use blockchain to keep AI accountable? With blockchain, you can track every step of an AI's life, like where it got its data, how it was trained, and why it made certain decisions. Imagine a permanent, tamper-proof diary for AI. Suddenly, the black box isn't so mysterious. You can go back, check its choices, and even detect biases. Experts have known about this problem for a long time and are working hard to fix it. So, there's a few things going on. There's this global group called INATBA. Fancy name, but it stands for the International Association for Trusted Blockchain Applications. Basically, it's a bunch of companies, experts, and even governments who decided to try and fix that black box problem. Because people are naturally suspicious. Is it biased? Is it using my data without permission? INATBA is basically trying to get companies to implement blockchain and to solve this problem. It could track every decision AI makes, explain its reasoning, and even show where it learned its stuff, like a permanent diary for AI. And governments, especially in Europe, are really into this idea because they're rolling out the AI Act. The AI Act is Europe's new set of rules for AI. It has several core principles like, if AI makes a big decision, like hiring someone or approving a loan, it has to explain why. And it can't use biased or stolen data. But enforcing these rules, that's the tricky part. But get this, companies like Casper Labs and IBM are already on it. They're teaming up to create a system that combines blockchain with AI to make it all transparent and accountable. Their system will do three things. Number 1, track training data. You'll know exactly where AI learned its skills, like if it was trained with reliable and ethical data. Number 2, explain decisions. It will show why AI made certain choices, so no more it just decided nonsense. And number 3, protect rights. It will ensure AI doesn't break rules, misuse your data, or discriminate unfairly. It's like flipping on a light switch in a dark room. Suddenly, you can see everything AI is doing. You can see the decisions and the processes and whether it's playing fair, but there's more. There's two other companies, SingularityNET and Ocean Protocol. They are doing something similar, but with a twist. SingularityNET is like a marketplace for AI. Imagine being able to share, buy, or sell AI tools to everyone, not just the big players like Google or Facebook. So what's their goal? To democratize AI so it's not all controlled by a few giants. Ocean Protocol, on the other hand, is all about data, the fuel AI runs on. They're making sure data can be shared safely while still letting the owners keep control. They use blockchain to track where data comes from, who owns it, and how it's used. So together, they're tackling three big issues. First is the black box problem. It's about making AI auditable so you can actually see how it works. Second is data trust. This ensures AI only uses data that's accurate, safe, and fair. And third is power centralization. This one breaks the monopoly of big tech companies and spreading the power so smaller players can join in. What's great is they're using blockchain to build a decentralized system. Instead of one company owning everything, they're creating a shared network where anyone can participate. It is leveling the playing field and putting AI's power back into the hands of regular people. So, between INATBA pushing governments, Casper Labs and IBM building tools, and SingularityNET and Ocean Protocol democratizing AI, there's a massive shift happening. AI is becoming more transparent, more trustworthy, and most importantly, more fair. And with Europe setting the standard, this could shape how the whole world handles AI in the future. But while everyone is hyped on this AI trend, the largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock, is trying to take over the tokenized asset industry. They manage a portfolio of over $10 trillion and have set aside a significant budget for the tokenization trend. If you want to find out more, watch this piece on the revolution in the real estate market. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay informed.